Since it's looking like DJI is closer and closer to being banned, we wanted to make this video and show you guys some of our top drone substitutes for DJI in 2026.
If you didn't see our last video, here's a little recap on the DJI ban. So it's looking more and more likely that DJI is going to get banned in the United States if they don't complete their audit by December 23rd. As of December 5th, when you're watching this video, they will only have 18 days to complete this audit. If you want more in-depth information on this topic, go check out our last video right here. The first drone we'll be talking about is the Insta360 Anti-Gravity A1. This is a drone that has a 360-degree point of view, same as their cameras. It is a really cool concept of having the 360-degree view without a big, heavy Insta360 camera on the drone. I've heard good positive reviews about the range of the drone with people testing it out, and it should be exciting to test it when it gets out. They have yet to release an official price, but we'll let you guys know when it comes out.
And what we're gonna be doing is ranking these drone recommendations from our least recommended to our most recommended.
Insta360 is taking spot 3 on the list.
Next up, we got a bit of a controversial drone. This is a brand new company called SkyRover, and essentially, if you might notice, it looks pretty identical to a certain DJI drone. Now, there's a lot of conspiracies out there about this company and certain relations they may have to DJI getting around this ban, but none of it is confirmed, only alleged. We've done a little bit of research on it, and what did you find out?
So we found out that DJI and SkyRover are based out of the same exact city. Another thing is they have a few of the same investors that are in SkyRover that are in DJI. Another interesting point is DJI's owner is confirmed and you can find him online, while SkyRover is a completely unreleased name of the owner to the public, so there's no information on who owns the brand as of right now. Yeah, and it's just interesting to us that as soon as DJI is less and less likely to get an audit, this new company pops up with very similar looking drones that are allowed to fly in the United States. So it's just an interesting concept.
Thanks so much to David Manning for giving us the information on this new drone company. Based on his video, what we've come to realize is these drones are really good budget drones. Some of them are even cheaper than DJI drones, and it's just a very unreliable company. But if it seems like it's going to stay for the long run, this drone would be a super good option due to its close relation to the DJI product line.
Our number one product is the custom FPV drones that you can build yourself. Because these drones are just so customizable and there's so many options of how big or how small you want the drones, you can completely change how fast or how slow you want your drone to be able to fly. So there's so much customizability with these drones, it just takes a little bit more skill to design them.
Yeah, we've been building FPV drones for a while, and due to their faster speeds, better external cameras, and battery life, the custom FPV drone seems like the very logical choice as opposed to a DJI drone if DJI no longer exists. And then on average for just the drone, these custom FPV drones tend to be a lot cheaper than DJI drones, and it's kind of a no-brainer. If you have the skill to fly it and you have the tools and time to build your own FPV drone, we 100% recommend trying to make your own, especially if you've enjoyed your DJI flight experience so far.
Thanks so much for watching, everybody, and make sure if you want to stay informed about the DJI ban, make sure to go ahead and like and subscribe this video. Also turn on that bell so you can get those bings whenever we post a new video.
We'll see you guys next week. Flying Fridays. Is ranking these drones.
I'm so sorry.